So I feel like I'm really far behind with this kind of current trend on analog photography. Not only am I about 30 years too late, but in the past few years film photography has been making a huge comeback. I decided to jump on the bandwagon and I picked up a Olympus OM2n, which is like a SLR style camera from the 70s. I got it on eBay for £65 and I probably could have spent less and just got like a point and shoot style thing, but I kind of thought it would be a better shooting experience to have more fine control over the aperture, the focus, and then down the line if I wanted to get different lenses. The first film I got was some Ultramax 400 and I set off into the woods to go and try it out.
I absolutely love that shutter noise. So crisp. Madam Wellies. I quite like this lighting here. Sun kind of coming down on all these ferns. Let's see what that looks like. Oh man, these trees look awesome. How gnarly all these roots are. And I really like the way that the moss just kind of grows up just a little bit. I really have no idea what's happening. My film counter's on 2 and I've definitely taken 4 photos, so... Okay, we can definitely get a shot in this long grass. It's going to look good. Especially with all this forest in the background up here.
Now at some point I got a little bit paranoid about the film not advancing properly, so I made myself a little makeshift darkroom, opened up the back to check everything was spooling right, and it was. But ironically, at some point when I was closing it up and putting it all back together, I kind of screwed something up, and then the last few shots of the roll got a little bit funky. But that's kind of one of the fun things about film photography, is it's not that straightforward, and sometimes there's little happy accidents. I also still need to practice at getting used to the exposure meter. The camera doesn't always meter to where I think it should, so it's a little bit unexpected. I absolutely love the mechanics of the camera. The noise the shutter makes, winding on the film, and the way the world looks through the viewfinder is just so nostalgic. Not having any clue how the photos come out and then getting all of them back all at once from development is just really exciting. I shot a bunch of film over the summer and I'm definitely hooked. It's a really fun shooting experience and it's just different to digital photography, which I still enjoy. If you're interested in checking out some of my work, you can head over to Instagram and take a look at that if you want. Anyways, that's pretty much all for now, so I'll catch you guys in the next one.